Well, hello and welcome to my review of the DJI Osmo 3 gimbal for your smartphone. I've just gotten this one. I'm using it right now in this vlog while I'm out walking the pooch. I'm using it to film this video. But yeah, £99 from August. It's a bit of a steal. Now, I was looking for one for my GoPro, like my GoPro Session, Hero Session little square camera, but that doesn't have a screen on it. Well, I've got two of them cameras, a 4 and a 5, and they don't have screens on them. So I debated what am I going to do, and I remember I had this old smartphone, the old Samsung Galaxy 6. I've got a Plus one now that I had to replace this with because I sat on this one last year. My little nephew was distracting me and I had keys in my back pocket, and left on the couch. I flopped myself down the couch and cracked the screen everywhere. But it still works, it's just a bit, this looks a bit unsightly. So I thought, well, let's dish that out, charge it up and use it on this. And it's doing quite a good job, I think. I'm out, as you can see, I'm out walking the pooch. And what I've done is when you get record, you get your finger and run a little square around your face, draw a little square around your face, and it tracks you like this. So I'm moving the gimbal and it's still keeping my face. I've done a few tests with the pooch, and she's a bit too fast for it. I've just been filming them. I'll put some of them in a bit later just to show you. But last night I was also out filming the new MGHS that we've gotten, just to get some night shots with it. But I was still learning and they're a bit all over the place. And I'd like to do some daytime shots of it now. But first 2 days I've had it, I've used about half a tank of petrol and I've been everywhere. And it was a lovely shiny black when I got it, but it's now a lovely mudded black, covered in mud and everything. So I'll let you maybe just give it a wash before I do any more shots of it for the next video, which will be a review of it. But yeah, here we are out in the countryside, and it should follow my face. And you know, I'm walking right now, and it should be a lot steadier than me holding the GoPro Hero Session. Now we've got people in front of her. He can't get privacy anyway. I don't even know what I was saying now, so I'm just going to blab on a bit more. But yeah, I want to try some more forward shots along this country lane. So I think what I have to do first is stop it. Dog. See if we can get to do it, because this is a straight lane. Maybe she'll go other side. Other side. You're meant to go on the other side of the road, remember? And she's went out of shot already. She's managed to detrack it already. Let's try to find her. Right, we'll try that again, stupid dog. There she is there. Track the pooch. Track the pooch. Trying to draw it, but she won't. She's such a bloody... Right, now she's tracking her, I think. Come on in. Let's go. Right. No, see how she suddenly changes direction? It masses it up. Come on. Track. Come on, let's go. This way, faster. Oh, she's gone too fast again for it. God, I managed to keep a track of her there. But so basically I've drawn a square around her on the screen so it tracks her. Let's try and track her from down below. There you go. So if I move to the other side of the road, oh, it's went. The gimbal hand's gotten in the way and it's messed it all up again. This is going to take considerable practice, I think. Has it found her again? Put her in that square. There she is. There she is. Track her. Nope, it's not found her again. So what I'm going to have to do now is draw a square around again on my phone screen. There, it's got her again. Hey, right. This will be fine until she suddenly changes direction. Come on, track. And what's happened there is the gimbal arm keeps getting in the way of the phone, and then it loses track of her again. It's lost her again. So there is certain problems with this gimbal arm knocking the phone off kilter. I think it's got her again. I'm just going to try and hold it so it doesn't interfere with the phone's operation, with the gimbal's operation. Now it's going looking for the wrong way. There she is there. Now I've got to draw her again. Yeah, track that. Track that pooch. Yeah. So, well, I think I've had enough of that. We'll change back the front screen. So I think it's probably better for me just personally vlogging, because another thing I can do, I haven't brought a tripod with us, but I can attach this to a tripod and it can track my face so I can walk around and vlog hands free with this tracking me. Now I'm going to try and walk down some steps. The dog in one hand, dog in the lead in one hand, and me with the gimbal in the other. See if it tracks me face. This is quite a, you can see them here, she's away already. It tracks me, you might be able to see them. Right, so I'm going to go down there and hopefully I can use the gimbal to keep the stop rather steady. She'll fly down there at a million miles an hour. Like this. You get a few overhead shots. So hopefully when I'm moving the camera around here, it's quite steady. But I'll see when I edit the footage. And there's the bridge behind me and the railway track line behind me there as well. So it should be almost like having a personal cameraman who keeps it focused on me and shot quite steady, this. So yeah, DJI Osmo is probably a good thing for anyone who wants to start a vlog. I'll be thinking, yeah, wish I had one of these ages ago. Maybe I should, when I started doing my talking bits of my vlogs, maybe I should use one of these. Anyway, now I'm walking along this muddy track. See? The other thing I've got to remember, you probably won't see it so much because I've got my sunglasses on now, but I keep looking at the middle of the screen. I've got to remember the camera's on the left, just so that I'm actually looking at you instead of to the side, as though I'm talking to someone to the side of you in the video. But yeah, there you go. Then we can look at some more scenery like this. If you call that scenery behind, that's a railway track in some. There's a field. There's a path I'm walking down, and there's behind me. Just do that. There's a path I'm walking to. Right. We'll stop. Oh, let's watch the choo-choo train go by. Here comes a choo-choo train. So blah 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 blah. Maybe I'll have to edit this a bit. Oh, it's lost me. Has it lost me? It's lost me just in time, or is it going to find me again? Does it find me again? No, it's not found me. Quick. Choo-choo train. Hello people for the choo-choo train. Hello peoples. There you go. Okay. Leave it there for now. Right, Osmo 3 packet. I'm sorry I've already opened it, but so basically what you get, that's the Osmo itself, the gimbal, and comes in this nice little case here. You also get this nice pouch here to carry things in, your charging cable there, and this is I got the plus cam pack, so it comes with the mini tripod, which I'll get a picture of later with the camera editing here. It's on there like that, and the camera phone goes in there. I actually have to put this on now. So what I've done with mine, so if you look here, to balance, you have to balance the phone in here, and I put two bits of masking tape so I know where to balance it at. So when I put it in, I can do this within so you can see it. So now I just measure that up to that. Clips it in like that, see, and the phone should be balanced. Now I think you heard me saying before that this is my smashed phone, but it's still good enough for a gimbal. That's where it was smashed there on the screen. Just unlock that. Choose the app. And then what you do to turn it on, if you look in the controls here, is hold that one in, turns on like that. Then you have to go on the app and go connect on the app. It will connect there. And it should balance straight away. Now, simple controls, you make the phone go into portrait mode by pressing that button twice. And again to go into that mode. This one here is to record. This is to turn the phone around. This one here. You basically move your phone around like that. and this button here is like a trigger. You pull it just to lock the phone, stop it turning. So I'll turn the gimbal and it won't turn. If I take that off, the whole phone will turn. And that's the tripod where it sits like that. Now what I'll try to do, demonstrate to you. Yeah. Get this to go up a bit so you can see me. Now this is the phone tracking an object. So let's say this is the object. I'll put it on here. I shall try and get it on the screen there. Draw it a bit there. Draw a little square around it like that. And I'll lock onto it, and the phone should follow the object. Should follow the object. It's following my face actually. So if I move my face over here, you can see how that's following me around. Like that. And over here, gets me behind this as well. So it lost me? It's probably lost me behind there. Hello, you see me? No, so when it loses you, you're going to have to just draw a little thing across it again. If I do that without covering the camera up. Across my face again. There's my face. There you go. Watch, there's the face to cover. See? So you got like your own little personal cameraman. But if you move too fast, it'll lose you. Like that. Get to track my face. So, got my face tracked. So I'm just going to walk along here, pretend I'm vlogging. Blah 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 blah. Look at this lovely scenery, and how steady is the shot. I'm moving my arm up and down, and keeping me kind of focused. And you could vlog like this as well, I suppose. Let me show off my double chin. Oh, if I want to try and hide my double chin, I could vlog like this. There we go. And the other thing I want to try was a tripod, but I don't have that with me right now. So the question is that better than me holding? It's got to be better than me holding a GoPro as I walk along here in one hand. And the sound's got to be better as well, because I'm not coronavirus. Cough that out in the internet. There you go, he's all infected. And so it's got to be better than me holding a GoPro, apart from me walking into things when I'm looking at the screen and stuff like that. But yeah, holding a GoPro Hero, little square little camera I've got for the car and that. So I think this will be better for me just walking along and talking about stuff. And I can basically do this. You can see the lake behind me. The shot should be good. Like that. You see the posh house getting built over there. And if I do this really fast, we can swing around, it should keep track of us. Right, keep track of my face as I move the camera around like this, and it should center me. There you go. So I think that's that test concluded, and maybe I'll see if I can get this to take some pictures of the lake. So here's a nice gimbal shot of the lake. I'm not going to try now. I can use the rotator to do a nice soft pan like that. But what I'm also going to try is just holding it down to the ground. I can hold it from above, it will let me, it won't. So just move it up a notch like that and try shooting a shot like this, but it's walking along like that. Should have a very fast effect. Dog's not me up, go around the other, yeah. I tend to go on that side. So this is like walking effect. You can see the dog like that. Just me controlling it manually without the auto tracker. Hopefully it's quite a steady shot. like this. You can see like that. So, thought I'd get those big shots. Maybe now I'll try an overhead shot. And you could try it like that. You do a spin around from high up. And I've been told you could do these sort of like from down on the ground. But, put the thing like that. It's almost like a droidie take off shot. So there you go. But the only problem I've got with this is like the actual, but when you do move it in front of it, it does kind of twist the whole phone around for some reason. When you move the little bar in front of the camera, it sees it. It twists the whole lot around. Right. Hopefully I should be able to change this back to the front camera. I've got to stop it. Record. Come on, record. There you go. It's recording now. Yeah. Had a few issues with it there. I think I just go down a bit. Yeah, down. Go down a bit. No, down. So I had a few issues with it there. One thing I've noticed is sometimes the phone is that way round, and sometimes the phone's that way round. When it does, these buttons down here are completely the opposite way round. So I'm having to get used to the fact that remember which way round the phone is. Anyway, I think that's enough for this little vlog about the DJI Osmo 3 using a Samsung Galaxy 6 Edge to vlog with and things. So I'd like to just say follow me phone, follow me down here. Thanks again for watching and catch you all next time. Bye.